away they go. Getting personal from the outside, rushing up is entry number 4, Lady Tycoon. And on the outside, Sugar Daddy. Then comes me, Simply Gold. Air Force One together with Smashing Success, Dream Maker. Entry number 3, King's Crown Strike Forces running at the tail of the field. Simply Gold, Lady Tycoon, Smashing Success, Sugar Daddy. Then on the inside, alongside is Air Force One. Simply Gold, Lady Tycoon, Smashing Success, Air Force One from the outside, Sugar Daddy sneaking by the Dream Maker. Last 450, it's Simply Gold by Sam Tulan, Sugar Daddy. And running in third, Lady Tycoon, Smashing Success. Alongside Air Force One, Dream Maker, Getting Personal, King's Crown Strike Force. And hitting the finish line, Simply Gold, Sugar Daddy is on the outside, moves up. It's now Sugar Daddy by Sam Tuleng's, is Smashing Success, Simply Gold, King's Crown. And finally, Sugar Daddy is Smashing Success, King's Crown. Air Force One, Simply Gold, Dream Maker, Lady Tycoon, Getting Personal, Strike Force.